In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a project in Wrike. Wrike is a powerful online project management tool that can help keep your tasks organized and your team coordinated. Let's get started with the process of creating a project in Wrike step by step. First things first, ensure that you're logged into your Wrike account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Wrike website and enter your login details. This will bring you to your workspace where you can access all of your projects, tasks, and notifications. Having direct access to your workspace is essential for keeping everything within reach and ensuring smooth navigation throughout the platform. Now let's choose where you want to create your new project. In Wrike, you have the flexibility to add projects to different spaces or folders based on how your team is structured. Consider where this project would fit best within your overall organization. This will keep your work streamlined and accessible to everyone who needs it. Once you've decided on the appropriate location, look for a plus symbol or a create button within that space. Clicking on this allows you to start the creation process for your new project. This step is simple yet crucial as it lays the foundation for everything that follows. After clicking to create, you'll be prompted to give your project a name. Make sure to be clear and descriptive here, since specific names can help distinguish this project from others. A well-chosen name gives team members immediate insight into the project's focus and purpose, making collaboration smoother from the outset. The next step involves setting the project details. This includes adding a description, setting dates, and defining any key objectives or goals. Detailed information at this stage can dramatically improve the project's execution. It ensures that everyone involved knows what to expect and what is expected of them, which reduces confusion and potential miscommunication. Once you have your foundational details in place, it's time to add tasks. Break down the larger project into smaller, actionable tasks, making it easier to manage and execute. Think about what needs to be done, who will be responsible, and how you'll measure success. Then, go ahead and assign team members to these tasks. Assigning specific people to each task not only clarifies responsibility, but also keeps everyone in the loop about who is working on what. It's a great way to enhance collaboration and accountability within your team. After everything is set up, choose a view for tracking the project. Wrike offers various views such as Gantt charts, lists, or Kanban boards. Select the one that best fits your team's workflow and the nature of your project. The right view can provide valuable insights into progress and potential bottlenecks. Finally, don't forget to save your project. Once saved, you can monitor its progress and make any necessary adjustments along the way. Regularly checking on your project will help ensure it remains on track and aligned with your original goals. And there you have it. You've successfully created a project in Wrike. By following these steps, you'll find that managing and executing projects becomes more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.